Today we are looking at cells, and for us, cells come in two flavours, plant cells and animal cells. Now, cells are the building blocks of organisms. There are some organisms which are made of one cell. These are called unicellular. Things like a amoeba or a bacteria. These are called unicellular. Now, you may not have covered these yet. Your teacher may not have mentioned these. They come later in your school journey. We are looking at multicellular organisms, plants and animals. First, we will look at things that both cells share. Then we will look at unique features of both cells. These are plant and animal cells. Now, the first thing to look at is the features that both cells share. These are the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. Now, straight from the top, the nucleus is not the brain. The nucleus is not the brain. The brain is an organ. The nucleus is a control center for individual cells. It controls the actions of the cells. It controls the replication of the cells. Think of Mrs. Gren, replication. This is controlled by the nucleus. So, nucleus, control center. Then there is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a liquid of the cell where chemical reactions can occur. Thirdly, there is the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what enters and exits the cell, like a barrier. This barrier is partially permeable. That means some things can enter and some things cannot. So all three features shared by both cells: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the cytoplasm. There are some features which are unique to plant cells. Plant cells carry out photosynthesis. Plant cells need unique features which carry out specific tasks. Now, we all probably know that plant cells photosynthesize, so they need a special organelle called the chloroplast. The chloroplast absorbs sunlight and carries out photosynthesis. They also need strength. This comes from the cell wall. You and I have cells, tissues, and organs. We form a spine. We form muscles. Plants do not do this, so they need support. Their support is generated by the cell wall. We often call it a cellulose cell wall. And the last feature, plant cells can swell up or shrivel. They can become turgid or flaccid. This is controlled by the vacuole. And the vacuole fills with liquid called cell sap and can pump up like a balloon, pushing against a shoebox. This gives it strength. This is called the permanent cell vacuole. Those features again: chloroplast, cell wall, and vacuole are unique features of a plant cell.